If you've ever wanted to play itchio games instantly without downloading anything, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to play itchio games in your browser in just a couple of simple steps. This is perfect if you want to try out indie games fast, avoid extra installs, or just jump straight into the fun. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to itch.io. Once the site loads, use the search bar or browse through the game pages until you find a game that says it can run in browser. That's the key thing to look for, because not every game on itch.io is playable directly online. Some games only offer downloads, while others can launch right in your browser. When you find a game you want to play, click on the game page to open it. Now look for the button or option that says Run Game. This is what starts the browser version of the game. In many cases, you'll see it right on the page near the game details or embedded in the game player area. Go ahead and click Run Game, and the game should begin loading in your browser. Depending on the game, it may take a few seconds to load, so give it a moment. Once it finishes loading, you can start playing immediately without installing anything on your device. If the game doesn't start right away, make sure your browser is up to date and that pop-ups or blocked content aren't preventing the game from loading properly. Some browser games may also need a little extra time on the first launch, especially if they're larger or have more graphics, and that's really all there is to it. Find a game that says Run in Browser, open the game page, and click Run Game. It's one of the easiest ways to enjoy itchio games quickly and conveniently. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.